Hello everyone, you are watching my YouTube channel Chemistry by Saad. This is SQA chemistry past paper, harder and challenging question. Let's try to conquer this question. And in the statement of the question, you can see in the United States Space Shuttle dinitrogen tetroxide was reacted with methylhydrazine, and this is the main equation. And for this equation, we have to calculate the enthalpy of this reaction by using the data. So this is one of the harder question. I will try to make it easy for you guys. So here you see this dinitrogen tetroxide. Oh no, sorry, this is not this is dinitrogen tetroxide. This is methylhydrazine. So and here you can see the methylhydrazine is a product side. Here, methylhydrazine is a reactant side, and this is formula. So you need to flip this equation. So when you flip this equation, like we need to flip this equation and we need to multiply this equation with 5. So when we flip this equation and multiply this equation with 5, it will be like, oh, not 5, sorry, it's not 5, it's 4. You see here we have 4 moles. So 4 times CH3, NH, NH2, product would be now reactant, and 4 times carbon for the 12 time hydrogen plus 4 times nitrogen. Because we flip this equation, so this would be in negative, like 54 times 4, this would be negative 216. Now the next, guys, this is 5 moles N2O4, N2O4, and nitrogen tetroxide. And we need to flip this as well. We need to multiply this equation with 5, and we need to flip this equation. So it would be 5 moles of N2O4, and we have 5 moles of N2, and we have 10 mole of oxygen. And this delta H would be, so when you multiply this with 5, like minus 20 times 5, this would be equals to minus 100, but here we put plus 100 because we flip this equation. Okay, guys. Next, here, the carbon dioxide is okay. Here we need to multiply this equation with 4. So minus 395. Here we do not need to flip this equation. So when you multiply this equation with 4, it would be 4 carbon, 4 oxygen, 4 carbon dioxide. Delta H would be minus 1576. Now, guys, these two equations. So do multiply this with equation with 12 because we have 12 molecules. This is gaseous. Here we have liquid. So we need to multiply this equation with 12 as well so that we can have 12 moles of gases. So first, when you multiply this equation with 12, it would be 12 hydrogen. And so when you multiply 1 by 2 with 12, so 12, it would be 6 O2, 12. So water molecule, and this delta H would be minus 2, minus 2, already 6 times 12. So it equals to minus 3432. Now, guys, when you multiply the bottom equation with 12, it will be 12 water molecule, the liquid, like the liquid, and 12 gaseous water molecule. But no, I need space. Okay, so this would be equals to 41 times 12, so it equals to 492. Now, guys, add all of these equation in add all of these equation in such a way that your final equation would be quite similar to this. Your final equation should be similar to this. So we have to add this equation. Here, unfortunately, I don't have space, but I just try to add all of these equations. So first thing, I can cancel, like I can cancel this 12 hydrogen with this 12 hydrogen, and I can cancel anything else. I can cancel, yes, like this 4 oxygen, 6 oxygen, make 10 oxygen. So I can cancel this 10 oxygen with this 10 oxygen. Anything which I can cancel further, yes, the water, like here I have 12 moles water. liquid. So I can cancel this 12 liquid water with this 12 liquid water. So what left behind is, I just need to write what left behind, like this and this. So 4, 4, no space, 4 CH3 and H and H2 plus 5 and 2O4, and guys here 4 carbon plus 5 nitrogen. Oh, something is wrong here. Four, I need to cancel out this 4 carbon with this 4 carbon, right? I need to cancel out this 4 carbon, this with 4 carbon. So my nitrogen is 5 here. It should be 10. It should be 9. So guys, I just missed one thing. And that one thing is in the very first equation. Yes, you see, this is 4 nitrogen, this is 5 nitrogen. So it would be how many nitrogen? It would be 9 nitrogen. 9 times nitrogen. And this is the 4 carbon dioxide plus 4 mole carbon dioxide. This is the 12 gaseous, 12 gaseous. And yes, now you can see, guys, my this final equation is quite similar to main equation. And now you just need to add all of these numbers. So guys, when you add all of these numbers, you will be getting an answer, and your answer would be enthalpy. This is equals to minus 4632 kilojoules. So this is how I solve this question. I need your feedback, and I must request to share this video with your classmates and try